Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Today I've got something I'm pretty excited about opening up, something I've had my eye on for quite a while, and if you watched any of my other videos, you know that I generally don't like paying premium for silver bullion, really because I could be using that premium money to buy more bullion. But anyway, this is one of those ones I really liked, I've had my eye on, so let's go ahead and take a look. The first thing you want to take a look at is right there at the top. I almost blacked it out, but it says 12 ounces. So that should give a clue as far as how much might be in here. Let's go ahead and get this thing open. Go ahead and cut along here. Keep threatening to get a new pair of scissors, but I never do. Just about cut into my invoice. Let me get that out of there. Set that down for a minute. See what we have here. Put that aside. And here we go. Oh, isn't it a beauty? A Geiger 10-ounce bar. 10 ounce of Fiend Silver. 999. Oh, look at that hunk of metal. Isn't she a beauty? 10 ounces, AG999. It's got security code. This is a certificate that comes with it. Made in Germany. Oh, the weight on this thing is fantastic. I should have got out my other 1 ouncer to show you. In fact, I think I have it here close by. But take a look at that. So nice. And I'm not going to take it out of the shrink wrap because it's got the certificate built in there. I'm going to leave that shrink wrap on there. Let me see if I can get a hold of this 1 ouncer. Sorry about that reflection. Do a little bit of a comparison here. So here's the 1 ouncer. Did a video on that recently. Pretty nice looking bar. By itself, if you didn't know the 10 ouncer was lurking, you'd say, oh, it's a pretty nice big square bar. Let's go ahead and compare these two. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at how nice that is. Wow, take a look at the thickness on them. Compare the backs. Very similar, both have serial numbers. This one bar did not come with a certificate, but I bought this 1 ounce bar. I bought that at a coin show. So who knows how many hands that's been in. But this one here I bought from Apmex. Got it for a great price. Got it about 3 weeks ago when silver was down just above 14. So, you know, with the premium, every few minutes I was refreshing that page this was on. It kept going down and going down. I thought, you know, if I'm ever going to buy one, this is the time to do it. So I did. Bought the 10 ounce Geiger bar. And you know, if it wasn't for that darn silver joker who displayed this on one of his videos several weeks ago, I would have never been hankering for it. But thank you, Silver Joker, for showing it to me. And then putting it there in the back of my mind where I had to constantly watch for it. And when I finally got it for a good price, I bought it. Just absolutely gorgeous. It's worthy of a couple extra minutes of video. So anyway, what do you guys think? I've asked before in my videos about whether or not you'll pay your premiums, and like I said before, I generally don't because I'd rather buy more bullion, but this is just a real nice piece of bullion. These two together, gorgeous. Now I know they make sizes in between, maybe someday, not today. I'll buy some of the in-betweeners, but for now I'm happy with the 1 ounce and the 10 ounce. And this stuff you're seeing on the side here is part of the plastic. It's not part of the bar. The bar is perfect. Anyway, that's it for now. So I'd show off my new 10 ouncer. I don't buy 10 ounces very often either. I usually buy the 1 ouncers. And I almost always buy rounds and not squares. So it's kind of out of the box for me, but decided to do it anyway and pick up some pretty nice bullion. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and let's keep talking bullion.